guys, welcome to my channel. How is everything? How is everybody doing? And I hope you guys are doing your sewing and being creative. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all my subscriber. I appreciate you guys. So I went to the thrift store. Yeah, first thing I found was sew, knit, and stretch. A complete guide on how to alter and measure sewing patterns. When I tell you, it shows you everything when it comes to measurement. How you need to measure your body from head to toe. Okay? What to look for, how to size the pattern, how to grade the pattern, everything. If you have a slat shoulder, if you have round shoulder, if you have a bigger tummy, but does the crotch depth like this. Normally when we do a crotch, to know the crotch depth, we sit down on a chair. She's telling you to hunch over. Can you imagine? Now that one I'm gonna try. Okay. And so it have a whole worksheet, never been touched, and it's very comprehensive. Um, a complete guide on how to alter and measure your sewing pattern, written by Myrtle Herren, Herren. That's the first one. And this was equal, well, everything together, I paid $2. So this was this. The next thing I found was the stretch and sew sewing book. Okay. I have around 2 of these books. But I told myself I'm gonna do a giveaway, and I'm gonna give away one of these books because it really get in depth when it show to how to sew knits. Okay, I don't care if it's jacket, the whole nine, and in here it also shows you how to sew one-piece swimsuit and two-piece swimsuits. And look at the picture here. Okay, as I said before, I bought all these for $2. So it break down and show you exactly how to stitch. And they're using a zigzag stitch in everything in this book. And this is the Stretch and Sew Sewing Book by Ann Pearson. All right. The next thing I got was this. It's a fringe jacket. So I thought it's going to be showing me how to do the fringe. I was surprised when I opened it. It's actually the pattern itself. So it was copyrighted 1984. And it's the fringe jacket. It gives you all the detail of how to make this fringe jacket. And it literally opens up in 2 sections. So this is a fringe jacket, and it tells you exactly how to make it and how to cut it up. And this is using suede. And in here, let me open it up for you guys to see. So this is with ultra suede. Taking my time. And it show you the pattern. So it gives you the jacket pattern and the layout of the jacket. Okay. And then on the back, it gives you the sleeve pattern. And then the next paper, and then it gives you the step by step of how to cut out the suede with seams. I've never seen these before. I've never heard of it. And in here, it's a contemporary sewing magazine. Never heard of it before. So in it have like the hottest accessories, ski wear repair, custom tailoring, ultra suede, and action knits. I was like, action knits, yes, that's me. So this was interesting. And I thought this was awesome. It shows you where to buy designer fabrics in Crossroad Mall in Bellevue, Seattle. As I said, I've never heard of this. Okay. So in this, you have this how to make scarves, super time saving sewing tips, color analysis, catch the phase of the 80s. Can you imagine? Ultra suede, how to set in a sleeve, how to see if you have sleeve cap with a wrinkle, what you need to do, the care and feeding of silk, um, the art of custom tailoring, action knits. If you love it, copy it. Can you imagine? And fabric preparation and the pants for the large figure. So action knits is at page 32. Let us look at page 32. 32. See, I'm excited. I'm excited to show you guys these that I got from the thrift store. Well, that's the church store. So, all right. So, action knits. So this is telling you how to measure the crotch and put it on the pattern, how to understand the sizings in the pattern if you have multi-pattern, what stitches is recommended for action wear, elastic application, crotch lining. Okay, and then it tells you how to make and pipe. And then they have all these different ways of showing you how to do these different styles and design, you know, into my dance wear. These are really cute patterns, you know. So and they're saying you can do action wear into couture. So they have couture ways of doing things. Custom tailoring. And it break it down for you. Everything from the threads, everything. I don't do tailoring, but they're telling you how to custom tailor. I mean, not custom, but actual tailor for the man jacket, and tell you exactly what all the different names and the tools that you need for tailoring. All right. And now they have pants for large figure and dressing for your figure type, which is kind of exciting. So I'm going to be reading some of these. I've read like one already when you come, and I'm going to show you. But this is I've never heard of it. So it seems, never heard of that one. So this is coming out of Kirkland, Washington. So it's, when I saw this, then I saw two more. So let's get into it. The next one, and okay, so this one didn't have a, it never tell me oh, this is a fall issue. It does say fall issue on here at the bottom. It's a fall issue. All right, so this one is the premiere issue 1986, and this is the same sewed seam. Okay, now this is Stitches in the Air, Couture is Back, Shirt Classic, Fit Without Fits, and Successful Surgeon. So you know exactly why I had to pick up these magazines, right? All right, so, and every time I open up, it's like these different designs. Like, ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. You know, and you saw that this came back in. I'm telling you, the styles them just come round and round in circle. So let us go to it tells you how silk is made. the fabric and from the worm, and it break down everything for you, you know. And let me go here to Couture is back. Couture is back, and that is on page. Couture is back. Couture Technique, number 40. Oh, it's way in the back, but still. Can you imagine? They have a section called Unmentionables. Yes. It tells you how to put in zippers. Okay, I still haven't reached the couture section yet. Let me look for it for you. So number 40. Let's go in the back here. Couture techniques. Look at this. Oh my God, they break it down for you. Haute couture is back. The art of looking elegant is in. Fashion went ready to wear in the late 1960s and 70s, but in 1984, couture sales soared 35% in garments ranging from 6,000 to 30,000 each. It's 2021. Can you imagine? If that was then, can you imagine now? Okay? Because I remember I was buying my Chanel earring for $80, which is 70% off with extra 40% at Neiman's. I have to hold on to my Chanel's now because I can't afford them anymore. From they say they don't have no more sales, I quit it. So can you imagine back then, couture was ranging from 6,000 to 30,000 each. Okay. So once again, we can apply our special talent to producing beautiful clothes that are obviously not off the rack. Okay, so they are breaking it down. Look at this shift dress, and they're telling you exactly how to make that shift dress, making it look so different, so mod. Oh my God, this is beautiful. You know, how to do shape waistband, and how to, oh my God, and how to work with sheer fabric. Can you imagine? And here's the trend for 1986. Look here, everything just go around in circles. That's all it does. Go around in circles, okay? But it was interesting. Look at that. Okay, so the last one is same one, but this is the fall issue for 1986, and this time profile makeover, classic shirts, missing links, ruffles, custom necktie, custom making neckties. When I tell you, this lady break it down, what I said, I could open a whole Etsy shop with this information, what this lady is telling me. Okay? Sometimes, guys, if you see these books, get them. Because sometimes, we as we sew, yeah, I sew dance wear, but I make other things. As I said before, I make club wear, I make prom dresses. Um, I don't know what I don't make. Okay, so sometimes this specialty. Look at this. This information here is like straight. You sit down and you practice and you make neckties. Neckties. When I tell you, she break it down. Look here. Telling you step by step how to make hand neckties. Even how to sew it. How to sew it down. How to what do you call it? Oh my God. Even to how to tie it. Look here. She breaking everything down for you. So So yeah, I got these from the thrift store. I paid $2. Yes, I did. I paid all $2 for these. The fringe jacket, because you know all these girls who's doing prom wear with the fringes. My God, look at this. You know, so I love my thrift store haul today. I went to the church, and I'm gonna show you me rambling through. And they had other books there, but I'm not interested in those books. They have books for doll makers, making doll clothes. I'm like, that's not me. I leave that for somebody who really want to pick that up. Yep. So that's my haul today, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being with me and looking at my stuff that I got. And let me read it in my spare time when I don't have no time to sew. You know, I just read and everything. Thank you to that. Thank you for staying with me on this on my YouTube channel journey. It's exciting. It's different. The videoing, I have to try to get used to it, and then I try to get used to like the editing. Why may I tell you the editing rough bad? Because I tell you it's a lot of work. Because me I tell you something, my phone I go on with it foolishness from where they are be foolishness I want, and just to make me upload it. Me I tell you, I go on with a bag of things. So um thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for being with me on this journey. Smooches guy. Subscribe, okay? Bye.